How to delete your Janitor AI account. The first things first is pull up or open up any preferred web browser that you want to use. And for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to the Janitor AI beta and then just log into the account that you'd like to be deleted. So once you have successfully logged in, all you have to do is just to click on your current profile abbreviation right here. Click on that and then head over to settings. So if you will scroll around these options right here, you won't be able to see delete account or delete profile immediately. So if you scroll all the way down and see this option that says danger zone, just simply click on that, and this is where your option that is saying delete profile will be visible. And that's it. That's how you delete your Janitor AI account.